Yeah, right. I guess I should have got off and gone the other way.
Yeah, we all thought the same thing.
Yeah, just said he thinks it's gonna be like 5 more minutes.
Second.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Hopefully they
my
get one
book was on. What'd you say?
The truck driver will start sweeping, then we can at least clear a lane. But they need to throw some litter and start sweeping. There's oil and gas all over that place.
Oh man.
That's the only reason they can't really let cars drive through the center of them right now. I just hope they clear it and let people start flowing to the right.
They cleared some of it off?
They're going to need a huge wrecker for that thing, and they're going to have to flip it before they even do anything. Because they need a crane, they need a wrecker with a crane on it.
Man, usually I can scoot to the front and just get by all this stuff, but got the whole thing closed.
Well, I cleared some debris. I let a couple cars sneak through, but I'm so far back. I was like,
Yeah.
I just want to make sure the drivers are okay and stick it out. Miss my medical appointment. It's fine.
No one seemed to be hurt.
No, the guy that got it the worst was this pickup right here. He rolled 3 times.
Oh gosh.
But yeah, he seemed to be fine. He was walking around. I told him to sit down. I was like, dude, you got adrenaline going. You need to sit the fuck down.
Yeah, right. You're gonna pass out.
Yeah. You move any wrong way without getting the fucking X-ray. And the pickup driver was all worried. He thought he killed somebody.
Gosh, do they have any idea what happened?
From what we saw, from what we could see back here, it looked like someone cut the dump truck off, and the dump truck like swerved to avoid him, and then ran over the back end of that pickup truck.
Oh man.
Which crushed the back of it, and then he clipped them, and they rolled, and then he tried to stop, but then hit the barrier, and then went over the barrier. So his front end of his truck is in the fast lane.
Oh, really? On the other side?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
They just cleared it, but he had a car on the other side. So that's pretty bad.
Oh gosh, it's so scary.
She just clipped him, and it looked bad because her airbags went off, but it wasn't as bad. This guy though, he seemed to be fine. Truck driver's fine.
Oh man.
Yeah, it was like a plume. The dump truck's carrying cement, so as soon as like it started happening, it just like a big plume of smoke. Couldn't see anything. And then it started to clear, and we saw this guy finish rolling, and then he was breasted on there. Because we saw it happen, and we were like way back by the time we stopped. We like slowed almost to a stop.
Yeah.
Just kind of let it, and then we slowly moved up.
Oh yeah, I can see the dump truck now on its side. I didn't see that before.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, I'm an MP on base, so my first thing to do was just to go to the accident, make sure the drivers are okay.
Yeah, for sure.
See how many occupants there were.
Man, yesterday afternoon we went up to Orange County, and there was 2 accidents on 5. Both of them had MPs responding to instead of CHP.
Yeah, we usually do. Whenever it's on the 5, anywhere along Pendleton.
Yeah.
We're usually the first to be out there.
Is it just because you guys tend to be closer, or?
Yeah, we're closer, quicker response, and usually if it's like, we just try to be first responders on there anyway because we're so close.
Yeah.
And then CHP will end up coming out after.
Yeah, I saw the Pendleton fire truck was driving down to respond to the one accident.
Yeah, it's all concurrent jurisdiction, basically all the way from Christianitos down to the Denny's right here.
Yeah.
It's all concurrent. I'm just trying to get to my last medical appointment so I can get out of here.
I wonder if they'll let traffic start going once they get that car out of there.
Yeah, I think this guy's going to work on getting this truck out of the way, because there is the other pickup that got hit is over here that you can't see.
Yeah.
They're probably going to need extra shit to clean that up. we gotta move for this fucking guy. Watch out. Yeah, now what the fuck are you gonna do? That's why you don't drive in the emergency.
Yeah, I'm good.
No, you're gonna have to go.
Oh, that ain't gonna work. Careful, man.